Hey, what's up YouTube? How are you doing? I now have a Patreon. If you would like to help me out, it'd be much appreciated. Link is in the description. Now for today's video, a review of the Sunsome dash camera. I bought this Sunsome dash camera to replace my current camera. I wanted something with a higher resolution. So I chose the Sunsome dash camera because it was cheap, 1080p front-facing camera with a 720p rear-facing camera. I received it within a few days, at least the shipping was fast. I received the camera with the windshield mount missing. I contacted Amazon hoping that I could get a replacement, but I was informed that it was sold by a third party. I would have to return the entire unit, wait for them to receive it, for them to ship another one out to me. So I decided to just go with the partial refund. I was able to install the camera by modifying the previous camera mount. I also installed the rear camera right above the license plate. I have a 2015 Toyota Corolla. The cable was barely long enough to reach from the trunk, mounted above the license plate, to the windshield under the rear view mirror. Now let's talk about the camera specs and features. The front camera is a 1080p 170-degree wide angle lens with a Sony sensor, 4-inch LCD display, and an easy to understand menu. The camera supports memory cards up to 64 gigabytes, which is not included. Other features are loop recording, that if you run out of space on your SD card, it starts over from the oldest file from there. And another thing that I really like is the parking mode. Any slight vibration, the camera turns on and records for approximately 10 seconds. And finally, we have the G sensor. Just in case you're involved in an accident, God forbid, knock on wood, it will save that video and lock it so it will not be recorded over. Now, let's look at some sample video. Other issues I have with the camera, when you power off the unit, sometimes the camera will make a humming noise and display snow on the screen until the battery dies completely. And another thing with the camera, the battery will not charge fully. It will always be low. So with that said, I give it a 2 out of 5. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I would like to thank my Patreons. Thank you for watching my video, it means a lot. Also, if you would like to help me out, check out my Patreon. The link is in the description. But if you cannot donate, it's okay. Please like, share this video with anyone who could benefit, subscribe and hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. But if you found something wrong with this video, or you just a plain hater, hit the dislike button and leave a comment telling me what I did wrong. I welcome criticism to help me improve the value of my videos. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. I am a social guy.